If your goal is to become a highly effective, highly skilled, and in the end, highly successful music producer, you have to understand the concept of just in time versus just in case. Now, what do I mean by that? Most artists operate from a just in case perspective. So for example, you find out that a new plugin is on sale and you buy it just in case because right now you get a good deal on it and you might need it later on. The same holds true for information. So you consume a lot of just in case information. You follow some social media profiles, you watch a bunch of YouTube channels, and you consume and you consume and you consume just in case you might need that information later on. Now, in contrary to that, you can apply the so-called just-in-time concept. So with just-in-time, this means you have, for example, a very specific problem going on in your productions. So you might seek out a very specific tool that just in time for your specific problem solves this one. The same holds true for information. You can consume just-in-time information when something becomes really relevant to you. For example, let's say you are preparing for a release and you still need a release strategy. You need some plan of self-releasing your music. Now, if you consume just-in-case information, you would just follow a bunch of different channels that might or might not talk about the things that are relevant to you right now. But just-in-time information means you are actively seeking out blog posts, podcast episodes, YouTube channels that try to solve this problem, that try to help you put together a meaningful release strategy. By the way, for this specific topic, I do have something. You can go to pickyourself.com and there is a detailed blog post for release strategies and how to apply this for your releases. But that's not the point of this video. I still want to highlight that you have the option of consuming things just in time versus just in case. So where does this lead to? It leads to you becoming much more effective because you don't waste your mental bandwidth and your energy on things that you might or might not need. You just focus on things that actually make a meaningful difference for you. So let me know in the comments what you think about this concept and also how this applies to your specific situation right now. Are you the just in case or the just in time consumer? And let me know how you want to make the transition maybe. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.